takes us on journeys across time and space. Knowledge is the ultimate power, and every page is accurate. We might not see every leader writing a book, but you can be sure that every great leader loves to read them. Today, Class for Lebanon proudly presents a summary on the topic. Today is freedom, tomorrow is freedom.
Gotta keep reading, 'cause this book's gonna be a good book. 'Cause this book's gonna be a good book. 'Cause this book's gonna be a good book to read.
Open a book, what do you see? A world of wonder waiting for me. Jump on a cloud, sail on the sea, ride with the night or swing through the trees. Every page a brand new place. Close your eyes and drift away. Read, imagine, fly. Take a trip beyond the sky. Turn the pages, don't be shy. Books will make you soar so